into right center field. That ball's going to drop for a base hit. That will get Loney home. Molina digs for third, and he's in there. First and third, RBI single for Escobar, and it's now 5-2.
Well, that's a huge hit there after the Orioles were able to get Duncan off of third base. And Yunel Escobar, who's been struggling mightily, does a nice job of going down and through this baseball and hitting a little line drive out into right center field. Big 2-out hit there for the Rays.
A 3-run lead.